Good morning, sir. Today I'm going to recite the three set commandments of traffic management. First is the commandments of the road safety. Number 1, thou shall not gaze at the phone. Number 2, thou shall not throw trash out of the window. Number 3, thou shall not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4, thou shall not take it any chances. Number 5, thou shall buckle up the kids. Number 6, thou shall not drive on the bright. Number 7, thou shall not drive with the one light or with faulty lights. Number 8, thou shall adhere to the speed limit. Number 9, thou shall keep the distance. Number 10, thou shall practice patience. And that's all. Thank you, sir. Next is the second sets of the 10 commandments self-clearance. Number 1, keep right. Number 2, observe road courtesy. Number 3, prohibited parking. Number 4, if in doubt, do not overtake. Number 5, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6, rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Number 7, observe traffic management measure. Number 8, the philosophy of Pinoy driver first come first serve vehicle. Number 9, on pedestrian. Number 10, remember the international driving safety reminders. Last is the three sets of 10 commandments in traffic management. Number 1, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2, I will not pass without care or curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. I will not disobey or violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. Number 4, I do disobey highway signs and traffic signals. I do not make number 5, I do not make a twist without signaling my speed intentions. Number 6, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospitals, and other dangerous zones. Number 7, I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. Number 8, I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number 9, I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions and be before me. Number 10, I will be cautious and respectful of the right of every driver and pedestrian. And that's the 10 commandments of traffic management. Thank you, sir.